it's Gina with WTI, and when we first got our little baby kitten, she had a few accidents on our carpet and on some cloths that I had on the floor. So I decided to try the Stain and Odor Eliminator from Rocco and Roxie, and wow, this stuff really works. Simply spray this on there, leave it on for about 30 to 60 minutes, and then throw it into your washer. Now for carpet, I had one that had dried like over several days before I caught it. So I sprayed this very heavily and used some directly out of the bottle, let that sit for several hours, then I put a towel over the top of it and a weight and left that overnight. When I pulled that towel off the next day, the odor was gone. Also, we have rabbits, which their pee is probably one of the most disgusting smells on the planet. So when I spray this directly on the cloths, let it sit again for an hour, put it through the washing machine, the odor is not just masked, like it is completely gone. I cannot recommend this product enough. It works so well, and that's my point of view.